Are you struggling in this crazy economy? Are you really, really concerned about our impact on the environment? Many people, younger people and older people, have a desire to cut back, reduce all of the things that they own. Living self-sufficient and self-reliant is becoming more and more popular. You probably have heard the term minimalism, but it's really much more than that. Having less clutter, appreciating what you do have, spending less, you having a positive impact on our environment. All around the world, the minimalist movement is happening. Young people especially are really embracing living with less and having a positive impact on our environment. Hey, even us baby boomers, many who like to spend money on material things, hey, many of us are downsizing, scaling back, and reducing our clutter. I mean, we did create Earth Day and we launched the environmental movement. We did. Lots of young people are struggling in this crazy economy. Too much debt, lousy job opportunities. Are you having a difficult time? And I bet no one is listening to you. Living self-sufficient and self-reliant, living a simpler life with less is a global movement. Are you a part of it? Having less stuff will reduce your impact on our environment. Smaller homes, smaller cars, smaller environmental footprint. Please, when you consume less, you will produce less garbage. You know it. You're aware that consumerism, using lots and lots of stuff, is a terrible impact on our environment. Part of being self-sufficient is producing your own things and purchasing local. When we purchase items from halfway around the world, far away, manufactured, far, far away in places around the world, that's a lot of transportation to get it from there to here, and it's bad for the environment. Are you struggling? So where did it go wrong? Oh, so very wrong. Hey, how about tiny living? Forget the McMansion. Now it's the tiny home, because a smaller home is better for the environment, which is awesome. No more debt. Eliminate or at least super reduce a mortgage. It's all about saving a lot of money, both in the short term and in the long term. You making the positive choice to live in a small home is better for the balance of nature, using less energy, consuming less, and producing far less carbon dioxide. And we all know what carbon dioxide does to the environment. The more the minimalist, self-sufficient lifestyle trend grows, the better for the environment it'll be. You keep doing what you are doing to live a better, healthier, more environmental life. And share this with your friends so they can get started right away. If you have any questions, ask. We truly want you to succeed. We want you to pursue your self-sufficient life dreams. You living happy and fun-loving and carefree and good for the environment. Live life doing it yourself.